Here at the Iowa State Fair, while many people think of all of our amazing exhibits from all across the state that 4-Hers have been learning and doing all year long, we work really hard to have a hands-on showcase every day so that anyone coming to the state fair can learn and do something with 4-H and learn from our members. We want young people to experiment and explore passion areas, find their spark that really gets them excited, and then learn more. One of the reasons we are so excited that this is a living showcase, not just our static exhibits, but our communication events throughout the 11 days of the state fair, it gives our 4-H members lifelong practice with their communication skills.
Whether it's 4-H members perfecting their communication skills or youth development specialists introducing a new field of study, children have lots of fun finding hands-on learning at the 4-H exhibits building. What is this called?
I don't know.
It looks like a bug bridge to me. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, how long has it taken you to build this?
A really long time.
Is it fun?
Yes.
You put like some colors of paint you want, and then hex bugs like go around and like mix it up, and then just once you want it like what it looks like, then they'll just dry it out, and then you get to keep it.
So you put like water and Orbeez in one of these little jars, and then you add like a scent to them.
And then the females, and sometimes they're cool, but the females do not have it. I call them like the polka dots.
Go ahead and make the line all the way down the road. Good job. Have you ever seen pollinator habitat on the roads? Have you ever looked at it and saw flowers? That's what we really like. We want them actually doing something, and so they can actually see it and then go home and apply it. And so when they come through there, they have a handout. We want them to take that home, share that with somebody, so that they can extend their learning past here. I know that we're probably going to have over 400 kids come through here today, but we also have 2 or 3 parents and grandparents coming through. We're actually using this as a teaching moment for both youth and adults.
You know, those of us who know and love 4-H know and love 4-H.